Cognitive domain. Bloom's taxonomy, revised by Anderson and Krathwohl. Dr. Suvidya Mahesh Sarvankar, Associate Professor, Government College of Education. Now we see what is Bloom taxonomy. In Bloom taxonomy, knowledge followed by comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis and evaluation is there. And this taxonomy is revived by Anderson Krathwohl. In Bloom taxonomy, original terms are knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis and evaluation. In Anderson and Krathwohl, new terms are evaluation is replaced by evaluating, synthesis is replacing by creating, analysis, applying, understanding, remaining. Means new terms in Anderson and Krathwohl are remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating and creating. Now we see what is remembering. The learner is able to recall, restate and remember learned information. He is recognizing what he learned, listening to something, describing what he saw, identifying what he saw, retrieving, naming, locating and finding. This all comes in remembering. He recalls all information which he knows. Now we see potential activities which comes under remembering. Here make a story map showing the main events of the story. Make a timeline of your typical day. Make a concept map of the topic. Write a list of keywords you know about. What characters were in the story. Make a chart showing whatever may be, chart showing digestive system, charts showing respiratory system, chart showing different mathematical formulas. These come here. Make an acrostic poem about given subject. Recite a poem you have learned. All these come under remembering potential activities. Now we see that what comes under understanding. The learner grasps the meaning of information by interpreting and translating what he has learned. Interpreting what he learned, exempling what he learned, summarizing the given activities, interfering, paraphrasing, classifying the given activities. Suppose the plants are given, he classifies these plants into different groups. Compare one event with the another. Compare characteristics of square with that of rectangle. Give the explanation of the something. Suppose that some concept is given, he will explain the concept. Means he will able to explain ideas or concept. Now, what the potential activities are there for understanding? Write in your own word. Suppose corona phases are going on, then we can ask student, write in your word what you mean by corona. Cut out the drop pictures to illustrate a particular event in the story. Suppose woodcutter story is there, we can tell student to draw picture to illustrate particular event in the story. Report to the class. Suppose we visited some historical place and report of that we present to the class. Illustrate what you think the main idea you may have been. We can ask student to give your idea regarding the annual day. Make a cartoon strip showing the sequence of events in the story. Suppose different events are there and we can ask student to show the sequence of that event. Write and perform a play based on the story. Suppose Thirsty Crow story is there, and for that we can ask student to make a play based on that story. Write a brief outline to explain this story to someone else. Suppose the small children are there and we want to explain that story, so we decide our brief idea about that story. Explain why the characters solve the problem in this particular way. Explain the way how that thirsty crow solve the problem of its water and get the water. Write a summary report of the event. Write a summary of annual day presentation or quiz competition or on the different activities. Prepare a flow chart to illustrate the sequence of event. How the thirsty crow solved his problem of getting water, we can explain with this the help of flowchart. Make a coloring book. Suppose a respiratory system chart is there and we can ask them to color. Here the coloring required to be given proper. Paraphrases this chapter in the book. Retell in your own word. Outline the main points in different stories. Applying. The learner makes use of information in the context different from the one in which it is learned. Means he is implementing his knowledge in different situations. If he learns about the expansion of metal, then he can know or use his idea while preparing metal things. Carrying out, he can carrying out given knowledge, what gaining knowledge in different situations. Using knowledge gained by him in different situations, if he know the formula of square, then can he use this in any event to solve area of that event. Executing execution of different activities we can use in this event. Means we can use our information in different situations. Potential activities suggested for this are construct a model to demonstrate how it looks or works. Practice a play and perform it for a class. Different activities are there which explain the some systems we can make with the help of play. Make a diorama to explain, illustrate an event. Make a write a diary entry. We can habitual student to write your diary what happens in every day. Make a scrapbook about the area of study. To study environment, we can ask students to prepare showing environmental event. Prepare invitations for a character birthday party. In book different characters are there, so we can prepare invitation for the character's birthday party. Make a topographic map. Take a display a collection of photographs on a particular topic. Make a puzzle or a game about the topic. Write an explanation about this topic for others. dress a role, dress a doll in national costume, make a clay model. We can make different models in our science using clay, paint a mural using the same materials, and if the points are given, we continue story. Analyzing. The learner breaks learned information into its part to best understand what that information. Comparing, organizing, deconstructing, attributing, outlining, finding, structuring, integrating. Comparing one with another, organizing different material, deconstructing, attributing, we can outline our respiratory system, finding on man out, even man from different person, structure, if different structures are there, we can find proper structure and integrate it. Means we can break information into parts to explore understanding and relationships. Analyzing potential activities are use a Venn diagram to show how two topics are the same and different. Design a questionnaire to gather information. Survey classmates to find out what they think about a particular topic. Analyze the result. Make a flow chart to show the critical stages. Classify the actions of the characters in the book. Create a sociogram from the narration. Construct a graph to illustrate selected information. Make a family tree showing relationship. In history, different personalities are there. If we make family tree showing the relationship in different persons, it is useful. Devise a role play about the study area. Write a biography of a person studied. Prepare a report about the area of study. Here we can prepare report about the different visits, visit to Science Museum, visit to Nehru Science Center, Nehru Planetarium. Conduct an investigation to produce information to support a view. Review work of a art in terms of form, color and texture. Draw a graph. Complete a decision-making matrix to help you decide which breakfast cereal to purchase. Evaluating, the learner makes decisions based on in-depth reflection, criticism and assessment. Checking, hypothesizing, critiquing, experimenting, judging, testing, detecting, monitoring. Here, potential activities for evaluating are write a letter to editor showing how this book or poem is. Prepare or conduct a debate. Here we can conduct different debates. We can give idea how to prepare and conduct a debate. Whether climate change is better or not. Prepare a list of criteria to judge event. Suppose debate competition is there or quiz competition is there, elocution competition is there. We can prepare criteria to judge how much weightage should be given to talking style, points to be covered, uh, presentation and effects. Make a booklet about 5 rules you see as important. Convince others. Form a panel to discuss viewpoints on climate change, importance of scientific temperament. Write a letter to students advising on changes needed in their behavior. Write a half-yearly report, first term report, second term report about their progress. Prepare a case to present your view about visits. Evaluate the character's action in the story. Creating the learner create new ideas and information using what has been previously learned. Designing, they can design some poster, event, construct something new thing, planning for annual day, quiz competitions, different visits, producing poster or some material, inventing something, devising something, and making different things from different products. Means here student can generate new product ideas and ways of thinking. Potential activities for this are invent a machine to do specific task, design a robot to do your homework, create a new product, give it name and plan a marketing campaign, write about your feelings in relation to science or nation, write a TV show play, puppet show, role play, song or pantomime about, design a new monetary system, develop a menu for a new restaurant using a variety of healthy habits, design a record, book or magazine cover for our college magazine, school magazine, our research magazine, make up a new language and use it as an example, write a jingle to advertise a new product. Here are some references are given. Thank you.